my channel. I am so excited today. I have purchased something that's on my wish list so I can check that off. It is something that I chose last minute to put on my wish list, and I've had this purse for about 2.5 weeks, and I wasn't sure if I was going to keep it because of the fact that I had just put it on my wish list before I released it, and I wanted to make sure this is the bag that I wanted. So I had to have a chance to look at it and really decide if I liked it, because when I actually went into the store, when I purchased this bag, I did notice the Neo Noe, and that's rose ballerine, and I tried it on and I thought, oh my goodness, I really like this too. I tried that bag on the first time it came out, and I wasn't crazy about it back then because I felt like it stuck out a lot. But I did a lot of comparing before I picked out this Louis Vuitton bag, and I did decide on the one that I have on my wish list. So I'm going to put the Neo Noe on my wish list now. Let's pretend it's on there. And I'm removing my Saint Laurent camera bag and putting on the Gucci Marmont camera bag instead. So just to let you guys know, and let me go ahead and show you my beautiful bag that I picked out 2.5 weeks later now, and I am revealing it. It didn't come with a box. They didn't give me a box because they told, well, they actually did. It came in this huge, gigantic box, and I'm like, what is this? What's in there? Because I only got a Graceful PM. And she's like, well, we didn't have smaller boxes. I said, I'm sorry, I'm not carrying that gigantic box out of here. I mean, it was huge. I think you can fit like 6 Graceful PMs in there. So let me go ahead and reveal my beautiful bag here. So here we go. Now I think this purse is just perfect. So as you guys know, I do have a Neverfull MM and I do have a Tournelle MM, and those bags are big, okay? My Tournelle is heavy, but I wanted something medium size. So this bag here is just perfect for little me. It is just such a small, it's not a small, it's just a perfect size bag. They tried to ask me if I wanted to try on the Graceful MM, and I told them no. But look how pretty that is. It's just so much smaller. It's like half the size of my Tournelle and my Neverfull. It does come with a tag. I do want something on here. I want it hot stamped now that I know that I do want to keep it. I want to get like a sun or a star and definitely my initials on there. And just to let you guys know, this tag does come with the bag. I don't know why it comes with the bag. It used to be here, so I moved it here just to see what it looked like right before I started the video. But this bag is perfect. It has a magnetic deal here, so when it closes, it stays shut unless I overfill it. And the inside is just gorgeous, you guys. It is like this fuchsia. It is stunning. It just, I mean, look at that. It's got a lot of room. It carries all my necessities. Oh, the strap is in my way. I can't really. It carries all my necessities, and it just automatically closes. And everything about this bag is just what I love. The strap is like the perfect length. The size is just perfect. But you guys, I didn't know. This is another reason why I didn't know if I wanted to keep this bag. Because right after I put it on my wish list, I started kind of Googling it. Not Googling it, I'm sorry. YouTubing it, search. And there was a couple of people that were having problems with the corners over here. This corner is not as pointy, but this one here, I'm assuming, which I don't know, that if it starts cracking. But if it does, I'll go ahead and return it and get something different, obviously. I don't want a bag that does that, though, but I decided that I am going to try it for myself because there wasn't a lot that had problems. It's very minimal. So I don't know if it's something that they accidentally did. Like, you know, it's easy to hit the corner and maybe get that little wear. I mean, you just need a little nick, and I'm assuming that can cause it to eventually tear, so I just need to be careful. I do take care of all my bags, and I'm very careful with all my bags. So I'm going to try my best to be careful with everything. And look at this. I mean, look at I love this part of the bag. I love that. I love how the hardware looks. I don't know what it is with this bag, but it just definitely caught my attention, and I am so loving this. And the size of it is what I'm really loving. It's just so perfect for me. It's just such a perfect size. I don't know why I never noticed it before I threw it on my wish list. Maybe I just didn't think that there was anything special about it, but I'm telling you, this is gorgeous. I almost thought about getting the Damier Azur print because of the pink inside, but I think I'm going to save my Damier Azur for my Speedy 25. I think that's what I want. I think. I'm not quite sure. So I do want a Speedy 25 bandolier Damier Azur with pink, and then I want a Neverfull MM Damier Eben, so with a pink as well. I don't know if they make that in a pink now that I think about it. If it's red, it's fine. Okay, so anyways, so those two are the ones that I actually really want. So anyways, you guys, thank you guys for watching my video. Please leave a comment down below if you need to ask me a question about this bag, because this bag is awesome, y'all. Okay, and please subscribe down below, and please click on that bell if you haven't already. That's about it, and you guys have a wonderful day, and God bless you. Bye.